Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the clock and date from appearing in the system notification area on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to select the personalization tile. On the left panel, select Taskbar, and then on the right side, scroll down until you get to Notification area, and select Turn System Icons on or off. Where it says Clock, you can toggle this to the off position, and it's as simple as that, guys. And if you want to turn it back on, just toggle it to the on position. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.